Okay, I have with me my friend Harshit. So Harshit, are you ready for the interview? I have 20 sort of questions which we are doing survey in the market. So I'll just go through the first question. Harshit, we just want to know that just you tell me something about yourself.
Yeah, my name is Harshit Srivastav. I am from FC5, and I am, as you know, I am so polite to others. I usually help others in their difficulties. Like you have searched me, so and I am ready to help you out. Yeah.
Okay, the second question is for you, Harshit, is that what is your greatest strength?
Yeah, my greatest strength is my parents. Because of them, I am here standing before you.
Okay.
I usually I can't do anything for them. They are my great achiever. I love to do anything for them.
Okay.
They are everything. Each for me, I can do anything for them.
All right, Harshit. So the third question here is for you. That Harshit, the question says that you are in a rowboat, right, which is in a large tank filled with water. You have an anchor on the boat which you throw overboard. Okay, the chain is long enough so the anchor rests completely on the bottom of the tank. Does the water level in the tank rise or fall according to you?
It's according to me, it will rise.
Okay, according to you, the water
Yeah.
level will rise. All right, Harshit. So the fourth question is coming in your way, and the fourth question is, what is your greatest? As we already know, your parents is the greatest strength of yours.
Yeah.
So just counter of this, what is your greatest weakness?
My greatest weakness is my friend.
Okay, your friend is your greatest
Yeah,
weakness.
because
Please elaborate.
I can't ignore them. If they wanted me something from me, I usually have them. Sometimes my weakness, sometimes I ignore my work and help them. Like my class is going on and I'm helping you.
Great.
This is
So your
like-
parents is your greatest strength and your
And my
friend is your
weakness,
greatest
yeah.
weakness. All right. So at this moment we come to know that what is your strength and what is your weakness. It's great to have an interview with you so that we come to know that what is your strength and weakness. So Harshit, the sixth question is coming in your way. Okay, no, the fifth question. Sorry. If the German were the tallest people in the world, how would you prove it?
You can see now everyone has a laptop and a net. You can search on and you will find that how the Wikipedia is helping each and everyone to know who is the tallest, who is
So you mean to say that you'll collect the data from the net and
Yeah,
you'll
of
just
course.
prove it?
Yeah.
No, like written data you'll collect and you'll just prove it that Germans were Germans are the tallest.
Yeah.
Okay, Harshit. Great. So now the number of six questions is the sixth question is coming your way. How would you cure the hunger? How would you cure the world hunger? It's actually a very big issue. So how would you cure the world hunger?
Look, one person cannot do anything for. We have to make a group and make a like GIDF club is going on.
Exactly.
And the same way, you have to make a group and to help each and everyone, you have to collect the money and in this way I can do something for them.
Okay. So you mean to say that one man cannot do anything? So it's a teamwork.
teamwork.
No, united we stand, divided we fall kind of. One man cannot do anything with one own hand. Like a team will have to
A team has to.
a team will have to take the initiative like WHO or UNICEF kind of, right? Okay, Harshit. So the seventh question is that for in your ways. Okay, so tell me about something you did or failed to do that you now feel a little ashamed of.
I'm not ashamed of anything.
Okay,
I've done
maybe anything you would have done in your past. So because of that, if you would have been a little ashamed, anything, any incident.
Earlier, I was so much fond of Air Force in China.
Okay.
But meanwhile, I found that it was not good for me, and I can't achieve that level.
Okay.
So I dropped my plan and I joined IPM.
Okay. So because of you failed to go to IAF Indian Air Force, that is because you are a little ashamed of. All right. Okay. Now the eighth question is that why should anybody hire you? What is the quality you possess that anybody should hire you?
Look, I usually help others, and I work in a team. I love to work in a team, and
Okay.
I do my work with so much passionately.
Uh-huh.
That's why I think people should
Hide.
Hide.
Okay, okay, okay. So just because you are a team worker
Yeah.
and
I'm
your
passionate towards my
interpersonal
work.
skill is
Yeah.
very good, you are coordinate with everybody.
Yeah,
That's
I
why.
can coordinate with anyone.
All right, all right. As you said, like one man cannot do anything. So you believe in working in a team.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. So the ninth question is that, like it's a kind of activity, it's a cleaning activity. So what would you clean first? Your room, your desk, or your car?
My first choice will be to clean my desk because I can't see my place to be dirty, and then I will choose my room to be clean number second. Because I don't want my environment should be dirty.
Okay.
And I love my car, so and I don't want that others should see that I'm roaming in a dirty car.
Okay, okay.
It's
okay.
enhances the what you call
Hygienicity, you can say.
yeah.
No. Okay, okay. So now for my part, like we have divided these 20 questions in like we two people will ask the question. So this is the last question from my part, the 10th question, and the rest question will be asked by Chandan. Okay, he is my colleague and my friend, my classmate. So the 10th question and last question from my way is that describe your ideal company, location, and job.
I don't think any company suits me, but I will. I am fond of a car.
Okay.
I will my what a company.
There
should
must be any dream, any company that would be your dream company, like Apple,
Yeah.
like McD or any. There must be some company that would be your dream.
You can
No?
say my dream company would be an Audi.
Okay.
Audi India, because I love my car. I
Uh-huh.
love driving. I love cars.
Alright, so you are very passionate to go in automobile sector.
Yeah.
Alright, okay. Alright, so now the next question will be asked by Chandan. Chandan, your part.
Okay, Harshit Mehta, now it's my turn. Sorry. I'm really happy because it's really pleasure to interview you. Now the 11th question for you. What are your goals?
My goal is to. My goal is to achieve everything which my parents want from me. My goal is to help others. My goal is to work in a team and make a people happy who are around me, especially my parents, my friends, my colleagues who are all there.
Okay. Okay, Harshit, now the next question. It's really very interesting question, but it requires logical answer. Name 5 usage of a stapler without a staple pin. 5 usage of a stapler without a staple pin.
First is to for a paperweight.
Okay.
Alright.
Use is second is to step pinning,
Well,
and the third one is to hit someone.
why? Basically,
Use
a stapler as a weapon.
as a weapon.
As it is harmless pajama.
You can do anything, yeah.
Okay,
And
use as a
fourth
weapon.
one is to play in a. You can
Okay,
play also.
once somebody is getting bored, no, you
Yeah.
mean to say that.
And the fifth one, fifth one is to screwing something. You can screw from it.
Very right, very logical. Now the next question. Suppose if you are hiring a person, what do you look for when you hire person? What do you look for when you will be given a chance to hire somebody?
I will first look in him that he is determined to his work or not. He is passionate what he is for what he is opting for. And the third, I will see that he is kind-hearted because he has to work in a team and he has to be very much polite or make work from others.
Means passion, determination, kindness are all your priorities for hiring people. Now the next question, the 14th question. How much money do you really want?
Money is not what I want. I want not in a kind of what you call. Not so much for me. You can achieve a million. You can achieve in crores. I don't think, but it changes from time to time. I can't say that the money should be at one time it's this much and another time.
Okay,
it's
so
this much.
basically you don't want to confine your life in money.
Yeah.
No, in terms of money. Alright.
But if we look today's lifestyle, I think money has a great place.
Money has a place, but I don't think it's for everything. For money is everything for everyone.
That's fine.
So basically, Chandan, you mean to say that money doesn't work only, it speaks as well.
yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay, the next question, question number 15. How do you define success and how do you measure up to your own definition?
Success is what you want to achieve from the bottom of your heart,
Okay.
and the other is achieving, but you have achieved that.
Okay, it's completely emotion is coming from his heart.
Now the next question, 16th question. What do you think about abortion?
Abortion is what a woman is not will do. It's very much difficult for a woman to be what do you say?
Abortion.
Yeah. Very difficult for a woman to abort his child. I don't think it's good for her.
So you mean to say it should not be legalized? No, it should be stopped completely then and there.
Okay, that's it. Now the next question.
It does not mean that I am in a what you call it, population increasement.
No, population is completely different thing. You mean to say that it should not be legalized?
Yeah.
It should not. This practice should not be continued.
Continue.
This should be stopped then and there.
See, if you logically see this person, this sides of a person, initiatives can be taken place, huh?
There are
there,
many
there will
sure.
be no need of
Basically,
abortion.
we are killing the life of innocent. So you mean to say this, no?
Okay, Harshit, good. Now the 17th question. If you won $10 million, $10 million lottery, would you still work?
Definitely I will work.
Why?
Money is not. I told you in the beginning that money is not everything. I will enjoy this money, but I can't sit ideally spending my money for some period of time. I love to work. I can't sit ideal. That's why I.
But it's general thing that people work for money, and you are already getting that amount of money.
He's saying I don't want to sit for idle. I don't want to sit
I
idle.
don't want to sit ideally. I want to work.
Okay.
Yes, I will invest.
So money
I
is not
will-
a constraint in his life. He want to get indulged and busy in doing work and all that.
Okay, Harshit, good going. Now the question number 18. How would you get an elephant into a refrigerator? Really logical and but very interesting.
Exactly. It's a wonderful question, I must say.
Put the elephant in the refrigerator.
But how? How would you put such a giant animal, like such a giant mammoth? How would you put that mammoth into the refrigerator?
Refrigerator have so many sizes. You can bring the huge one and put the elephant inside it.
So you mean to say that you will give the special order to
Yeah.
refrigerator company
Why
and you will
not?
just put the elephant into the
Why not?
refrigerator? Alright, good.
Okay, the 19th question. Are you exhaling warm air?
Everyone is exhaling warm air. I am also exhaling warm air.
Alright.
Now, Harshit, the last question. If you were a Microsoft Office program, which one would you be?
I will choose to be a slideshow. Because
Why?
after doing every work, people used to click on the slideshow only. The last option the left for them is slideshow.
Because nothing can be done without slides.
You cannot dictate anyone without a slideshow.
Alright.
Every presentation has to go through a slideshow.
Okay. It was a great pleasure to have an interview with you and we are really appreciate you giving your valuable time and your views and opinions. Thanks a lot.